Hello and welcome back to another video. If you own a Lexus RX 350, chances are you're not going to take it off-road, but I wonder about how much utility is in the sport utility vehicle of the Lexus RX 350. So I've got a couple of trees, one dead, one live, and I'm going to attempt to pull them out. So follow along and see what happens. So this is the plant. I don't know what that is, but it's got to go. It's overgrown. This was a cherry tree that died. It's got some kind of fungus or growth on it. So what we're going to try to do is pull this out of the ground. Oh. Okay, this tree is definitely dead. We need to make sure that when we pull the tree, it's going to come down, that it doesn't hit the car. So that's 8 feet. Five feet. So it's 13 feet tall. This is what we're going to use to actually do the pulling. Let's see here. Just want to make sure that it will go in here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Super. That goes around the tree. Let's take this over. Okay, we're going to tighten this up. There. That should be good. Oh yeah. Alright, so this will go in the back of the car. Alright, every car has a tow hook for when you're towing the car or pulling something. I don't have a hitch on here, but I'm going to attempt to use the tow hook on here and see. And if basically the worst thing that can happen is it'll just rip the tow hook off the car. But the tow hook is actually connected directly to the frame, so it should be very strong. And if it's enough for towing the car, which is, 4,000 some pounds, it'll probably be fine when we go to yank the tree out of the ground. The chain is too small to go over this, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here like that. Close this up. Now our chain will hook right up to here. And you also want to make sure that you're not going to hit the plastic here. So chances are it won't go any higher than that because we're a good 20 feet out.
That's good.
There we go. I've got 20 feet of chain and my tree is only 13 feet high, so can't touch this. So this Lexus is all-wheel drive, means that it's going to put power to all 4 wheels. If you're front-wheel drive, it might spin one of the 2 wheels. Here we go.
Nice, Dad. Oh, man.
All right, for this next part, you need to try to get under it.
That's one way to do it.
All right.
Almost. It'd be tight. That's nice.
Yeah, we gotta get under that root ball.
Yay. You're good.
This thing's heavy, dude. Oh no, I can get it. So that first one, the tree was technically dead, which is always going to be easier to take out because, like you saw, it snapped at the top, and then we were able to just pull the root ball out. This next one is technically not dead, so we'll just have to see how hard it is.
And you are tight, as you can see.
What happened?
The chain just like launched the other way.
Did it break?
I don't know.
Where'd the chain go?
In the tree.
So
Where'd the thing go?
The metal piece broke.
Yeah, but where'd it go?
It's a good thing I got a whole pack of these. Let's do this again. Try going higher.
Okay.
So I think what happened was this maybe wasn't tightened all the way on there, and so when we went to pull, it just pulled this that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna back up,
Okay.
and then we'll hook it on. This time, we're raising up the chain higher up, which will provide us more leverage to topple the tree. The risk we run is that we'll snap it at the top versus pulling the whole thing out, but we'll see. See what happens.
Well, I guess better than nothing, right? You're tight. Oh, would you look at that? I hope your car can hold that.
Anyway, see how we're doing. Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
Oh, we don't want to break this. This is my sprinkler line. I don't want to pull that out. All right. There we go. Is that good?
It's basically like tug of war. You're pulling it, kind of. Yeah, you're pulling it.
Is it working?
Yeah. It looks like it's almost out of the hole. Yep, you're out. You're on the sidewalk.
Okay. That's a big hole. All right. Let's get some Gatorade. So once again, this chain worked great. My only mistake was that I didn't tighten this all the way. And that's a lot of pressure. That is a lot of pressure pulling that out. That happened on that, right?
Yeah.
Caused the chain to snap. This thing went flying. Thankfully, nothing was back there. It didn't break a window, but it could have. So keep that in mind. But following all my other safety precautions with the chain was great. Now I'm just gonna take each piece and get rid of it, and I'll give you one final shot of the finished product. This one's for wood. So this all right. Make sure you got safety goggles or safety glasses. That's a pretty good saw, isn't it?
Yeah.
This thing did pretty good. All right, that's probably enough sawing. All right, we're all done. So now I need to just get something to go right there to fill that void. That's where the cherry tree was. And we're gonna put a magnolia right there in its place. I think it'll be perfect. So, starting to come together. Hi, Dr. Emmett Brown. No, this sucker's electrical.